In every dealership, there's a moment when the noise fades and clarity starts to take shape.
That's what this space is for.
This isn't just a library. It's a launch pad for dealers ready to think differently.
Because the old game was running faster, but the new game is learning smarter.
We've lived through every marketing era: analog, digital, and now AI.
And every era taught us the same thing. Growth belongs to those who keep learning.
And this is where that learning continues.
Inside, you'll find ideas, tools, and frameworks built for one purpose: to help you compound.
Articles that explain, videos that inspire, and templates that make AI practical.
Because when understanding compounds, so does confidence.
And when confidence compounds, growth follows.
We created this hub to give every dealer, marketer, and automotive leader a place to grow without guessing.
To see what is working, to learn what is next, and to become the dealership that never resets.
Because the future of automotive isn't about keeping secrets. It's about sharing systems.
And the more we share, the faster we all grow.
So explore, watch, read, and take what helps you build momentum and make it yours.
Because learning doesn't end when the sale closes. That's where compounding begins.
Welcome to Turbo Marketing's library of compounding growth. Resources for dealers who want to lead the new game.